Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is kingsfx trader right here. I'm super excited to be here, and in this video we are going to be looking at currency pairs. People have been asking me to create videos on currency pairs, strategies on currency pairs, and maybe basics when it comes to currency pairs. But before we start, I want to show you how to change your chart from something like this, okay, where you have a lot of maybe you have indicators, you have a lot of lines, confusing stuff right here. I want to show you how to change this to something like this, okay. I want to show you, if you look at this chart right now, you see that the chart is very neat, very neat, okay. See that the chart is very neat. I want to show you how to change this. First of all, you need to understand how to keep your chart neat before we start any strategy or any analysis at all. You need to make sure that your chart is looking like mine in order to follow me step by step, okay. So now I'm going back to this point. So you can see I have a lot of stuff here, and the color of this candlestick for me is not looking that good, so I needed to change it to this one, okay. I needed to change it to this one. So before I proceed, I'm preparing for you guys for signals. People have been asking me, do you drop signals? You need my signal group and all that. I don't have signals yet, okay. So I am preparing for it, and I'm going to be giving you guys back-to-back signal when I'm ready, okay. It's I think it's very, in fact it's very close, because I've been working on this in order to make sure that if you subscribe for my signal, you will, in fact, you get the value of any little amount of money you pay for the signal, okay. So now I want to warn you also, people have been scammed. A lot of people have been scammed on Telegram, on even on YouTube. When people come to claim they are this, they are that, especially people who are using my name. Many people are impersonating with kingsfx, even with my picture on Telegram. I'm begging you, avoid being scammed. It's not me. Anybody who is telling you to invest so amount of money to get this amount of money, invest in this one, and any investment stuff is not me. Anybody who is telling you to pay some amount of money for him or her to manage your account, claiming that it's kingsfx, it is not me. I don't manage accounts, I don't do investment program, I don't even have a signal group yet, okay. I only have a Telegram group where I discuss with people at times, though the Telegram group haven't been active for some time because of what I'm working on. So but very soon the Telegram group are going to be active. Then my Instagram is also active. The link is going to be in the description of this video. I beg, please, I'm begging, avoid being scammed, okay. I don't do investment program, I don't do management program, I don't manage anybody's account yet. All right, so prepare for my signal. It's going to be massive, guys. It's going to be interesting. So before we dive into it, first of all, look at the chart, how this chart look like. It's not looking neat, so we won't have to change it to something like this, as I said, okay. So we now, first of all, we have some lines here. We have this indicator here, we have this one on the window one, okay. So I want to keep this thing neat, okay. All you have to do is to remove all these indicators by right clicking on them. You can see delete indicator. We delete this one, is out, okay. So we look at this one down here at window one. You right click also, you see delete indicator, we delete, okay. Can you see our chart is a bit looking more neat, okay. Now after this, we have a lot of lines here. We have this one, the volume is down here, these green lines, okay. I want to change it also. So all I need to do is to right click, okay, go to properties down, the last, or you use F8 on your keyboard, or you can right click and go to properties, okay. Once you go to properties, you can see how this thing look like, okay. So first of all, we go to you can see here you have period show period separators, okay. Let's leave this one for now. I'm going to come back to it. So look at the one we are going to uncheck, show grid, okay. We are going to uncheck show grid for us to remove all these vertical lines and horizontal lines, okay. These white lines you are seeing, okay. So we need to remove this. If I should click OK, you can see all those lines are out, okay. And this one is the period separator, okay. It's going to be important. Most of us, we are going to be using it anyways. So boy, if you want, you can remove it also. So So I'm going to right click. I want to remove this volume here, so I will right click, go down to properties again. Alright, you can see show volume. I will uncheck that. If I uncheck it and click on OK, it's out. Can you see that our chart is looking neater? You can see it's neat and simple. Okay, you can see our chart is neat and simple. So now if you look at the color, you can also change the color. Okay, so I want to change the color to something interesting like red and green, which is by default. If you open your own as in your MetaTrader 4 or 5, so let me just go and change the colors. So you can actually customize the color to any color of your choice anyways. Now I will go to color here. You can see I'm on common. I will go to color. At this point you can see here I have the bar up. The bar up is actually this the wick, okay, the shadow on a bullish candlestick. Okay, the shadow on the bullish candlestick. So I will just leave it as green, okay, or lime. Then I will change the bull candle, which is the bull candle right here. I will change it to green also. Okay, so if I click on this, you can see the bull candle, and click on this lime, click OK. Have you seen that the color have changed? Okay, the color have changed to green or lime. Okay, lime, sorry, the color have changed. Then if I want to change this one, I want to change the bearish candle to red. Okay, I will right click again, go to properties. Then you can see here you have the bear candles. Okay, the bear candle, we just click on it. Okay, change it to red. Okay, we go to red, change to red. After that we can change the bar down, this bar down, to red also. Okay, to keep it simple, red, and click on OK. Have you seen our chart? Our chart is looking nice. Okay, our chart is looking nice. Our chart is looking nice. So this is 1 hour time frame anyways. So I've been on this trade. So you guys should get ready for my signal on currency pairs. Okay, you can see my entry and my stop loss is being moved down. You know, as the price keep going and creating the, look at the previous high here, the stop loss is shifted to this point. Okay, after this one, we are shifting the stop loss down to this point again, which is going to be the previous high after the breakout of this one. Okay, I'm just waiting for a breakout here. Once the price break out from here, sorry, let me pick my line. Okay, once the price break out from here downward, I'm going to shift my stop loss to this second level here. Okay, my stop loss is going to come down to this point. Okay, so that is, I'm not actually, there's no analysis, this is just a trade I've entered for I think last week before the weekend. Okay, so now you can see our chart is looking nice. Let me do away with these lines, please. Alright, so our chart is looking nice. We have this period separator that's showing us period. Okay, you can do away with that period line, but I need it, I do use it. So I will just click on properties. If I want to remove it, go to common. Then you can see show period here. I will just remove it and click on OK, and that line is out. Alright, so there is another important thing you need to do. Okay, I've already done that before now, but by default you might see something like this auto. You can see chart auto scroll. Okay, if it's checked, look at what will happen. If it is checked, you will see, if you want to check what is happening, if you want to check back test, it will be very difficult for you, because if you shift your chart, it will return it back to this point, to the current price. If you shift it again, it will return you back. So if you want to check what is happening with the price for maybe 2 hours, maybe 4 hours, 5 hours, daily, depending on whatever you want to check. Okay, if you want to shift it, you have to right click, come to properties. You can see chart auto scroll. Just uncheck that. If I uncheck that and click on OK, now I can shift my chart. I can shift it to any point I want. Okay, I can shift it to any point I want. So this is how to do all these things. Now we are done with this. Okay, we are done with this. So the next thing I want to show you now is, instead of, okay, if I should open another chart, okay, instead of me to start from beginning to keep doing all these things in any currency pair I'm trading, I just have to save this one. I want to save this template, okay, so that each time I open a new currency pair, I don't need to start setting all these things or changing it. What I need to do is just I'm going to load the template, and my chart will look exactly this way. All right, so all I need to do is to save this particular template I've already created. So by right clicking, when I right click, I go to template. You can see here, after time frame you get template. Okay, you click on it, or you can see this point where they say save template, the first point here, the first in this dialog box. You click on save template. Okay, once you click on it, it will load. I'll just save it as maybe kingsfx. Okay, now I'll click on done. I've saved the template. Now if I should open another pair, let me say New Zealand dollar JPY. Okay, look at this one. Okay, look at this one here. You can see this one. You see how it look like. So all I need to do to get exactly what I have in that previous chart, I will just right click here, go to templates, go to load templates. Okay, then look for kingsfx. Look at it here. I'll select it and click on open, and you can see I have exactly what the previous chart, how the previous chart look like. This is exactly what I have here also. Okay, exactly what I have here also. So you see how simple this is. You just need to do for one. Once you are done for one, you can save it as template. So each time you open your chart again, you'll be able to maybe load the template automatically, and you start, you will just see or have exactly what you have saved in the previous chart. Okay, you don't have to start afresh to keep doing that all the time. Okay, so you can see we have our chart. Any chart, any this thing I go to, I can change it. This one we have it already. Okay, we have it already. Our look at the one we actually created together, okay, and saved. So this is how simple setting up your chart, or how to organize your chart and make your chart look neat. Okay, so I will be dropping more videos on currency pair. Okay, let me just put my period separator. Okay, I'll be dropping more videos on currency pairs very soon, and also strategies. Okay, strategies. I'm going to be we are going to be doing basically, and we are going to be analyzing currency pairs and having maybe different strategies, profitable strategies that have an edge over the market, guys. I believe this simple video, short and simple, will be able to help you, arrange your charts well, save templates, load templates, and all that. It's very simple stuff, and we did this together. Remember, I said anybody who is asking you to invest a small amount of money to get it double or anything at all with my name and my picture, that's not me. That person is a scammer. Anybody is asking you to pay some amount of money, want to manage your account, that person also is a scammer. So I currently, basically, I'm working on a course that is going to help you out understand how to analyze the chart, the market, how to analyze both boom and crash, statistic indices, that is statistic indices basically, and also currency pairs. For you to do this, I'm creating a video how to do this step by step, guys. So once the course is ready, I'm going to inform you guys, and also when my signal group is ready, I'm also going to inform you guys. So avoid being scammed, guys. Avoid being scammed. So if you love this, please consider liking this video, subscribe if you have not, also leave a comment. If you have any question at all, you can leave a comment on the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy.